Deploying DigitalOcean Droplet backups is a straightforward process that ensures your data is safe and can be easily restored in case of an emergency. To get started, you need to have a DigitalOcean account and a Droplet set up. First, log into your DigitalOcean account and navigate to the Droplet you want to back up. Click on the Droplet to access its settings. Then click on the Backups tab. Here, you can enable backups, which will automatically create a snapshot of your Droplet every day. To restore a Droplet from a backup, go to the Backups tab and find the backup you want to use. Click on the Restore button next to it. Then select the region and size of the new Droplet. DigitalOcean will create a new Droplet with the same settings and data as the original. Another option is to create a snapshot of your Droplet manually. To do this, go to the Power menu and select Snapshot. DigitalOcean will create a snapshot of your Droplet, which you can then use to create a new Droplet or restore a previous version. When deploying Droplet backups, it is essential to consider a few best practices. First, make sure to enable automatic backups for all your Droplets to ensure your data is safe. Second, create snapshots regularly to capture changes to your Droplet over time. Finally, test your backups regularly to ensure they are working correctly and can be restored in case of an emergency. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily deploy DigitalOcean Droplet backups and ensure your data is safe and secure. This process is crucial for maintaining business continuity and minimizing downtime in case of an emergency.